Supercomputer. Built for extreme performance, supercomputers are the fastest and most powerful computers in the world. They use thousands or even millions of processors working together to perform massive calculations in parallel. These machines are used in areas like climate modeling, nuclear simulations, space exploration, and advanced scientific research. What makes them unique is their ability to solve problems that would take normal computers years or even centuries. Governments and research institutions rely on supercomputers to push the boundaries of science and technology. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are designed to handle enormous volumes of data and support thousands of users simultaneously. Unlike supercomputers, which focus on speed for calculations, mainframes focus on reliability, stability, and continuous operation. They are widely used by banks, airlines, insurance companies, and governments for processing transactions, managing databases, and running critical applications. Mainframes are known for their durability and ability to run non-stop for years, without failure. Server computer. A server is a computer that provides services, resources, or data to other computers over a network. These services can include hosting websites, storing files, managing emails, or running applications. Servers are built to operate continuously and handle multiple requests at once. They can range from small home servers to massive data center machines. What makes servers important is their role in powering the internet and enabling communication between devices worldwide. Workstation computer. Workstations are high-performance computers designed for specialized professional tasks. They are commonly used by engineers, architects, video editors, and scientists who need more power than a standard desktop. Workstations often include powerful processors, large amounts of RAM, and advanced graphics capabilities. They are built for reliability and precision, especially when handling complex tasks like 3D modeling, simulations, and high-resolution video editing. Desktop computer. Desktop computers are personal computers designed to stay in one place, typically on a desk. They consist of separate components like a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. Desktops are popular because they offer strong performance, easy upgrades, and better cooling compared to portable devices. They are widely used in homes, schools, and offices for everyday tasks such as browsing, gaming, and productivity work. Laptop computer. Laptops are portable computers that combine all essential components into a single, compact device. They include a built-in screen, keyboard, touchpad, and battery, allowing users to work from almost anywhere. Laptops are versatile and come in various types, from lightweight ultrabooks to powerful gaming machines. Their main advantage is mobility, making them ideal for students, professionals, and travelers who need computing on the go. Tablet computer. Tablet computers are touchscreen-based devices designed for simplicity and portability. They are thinner and lighter than laptops and rely mostly on touch input rather than a keyboard and mouse. Tablets are commonly used for browsing, watching videos, reading, and light work. Some advanced tablets support styluses and detachable keyboards, allowing them to function as hybrid productivity devices. Smartphone computer. Smartphones are compact, yet incredibly powerful computers that fit in your pocket. They combine communication, computing, and multimedia capabilities into one device. Modern smartphones can run complex applications, play high-end games, take professional quality photos, and even perform tasks once limited to desktops. Their constant internet connectivity and portability make them one of the most widely used types of computers today. Embedded computer. Embedded computers are small computing systems built into larger devices to perform specific functions. You can find them in everyday objects like cars, microwaves, washing machines, and smart TVs. Unlike general-purpose computers, embedded systems are designed for a single task and often operate automatically without user interaction. They are essential for automation and modern smart technology. Wearable computer. Wearable computers are devices designed to be worn on the body, such as smartwatches, fitness trackers, and smart glasses. These devices focus on convenience and real-time data access. They can track health metrics like heart rate and steps, display notifications, and connect with smartphones. Wearables are becoming increasingly popular as they blend technology seamlessly into daily life. Quantum computer. Quantum computers represent a completely new approach to computing. Instead of using traditional bits, they use quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to process complex problems much faster than classical computers. Although still in development, quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. Analog computer. Analog computers work with continuous data rather than discrete digital values. They measure physical quantities like voltage, pressure, or temperature, and use those measurements to perform calculations. These computers were widely used in the past for scientific and engineering purposes, especially before digital computers became dominant. Today, they are mostly replaced, but still hold importance in understanding the evolution of computing.